Hi guys! Hi guys, it's Chinny from Just Chinny Things, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own colored false eyelashes, which is very easy to do in just a few easy steps to follow. Right now, I'm cosplaying as Rimuru from the time I got reincarnated as a slime. And if you haven't watched the anime, you should really watch the anime. I highly recommended it because it's such a cool anime, and Rimuru is that protagonist who's just really powerful, and he's actually so cute when he's in human form. And if you think this video was very helpful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my new uploads and with my new tutorials and whatever. Well, let's get started. For today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching that tutorial, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.